You change.
Battery.
Yes.
Oh, you want to change?
Not this one.
Oh, change with watch's battery.
Yes.
What's this one model?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know.
You can open and see. I never changed before.
You never change it.
Yes.
First time change
Yes.
it. Don't work now. This maybe we have not. Okay.
But maybe it's the same battery that you have. Do you have any battery here?
No. We have another model battery, but this one
How do you know which battery is inside?
we have Katia.
It doesn't matter what kind of battery it is. If it fits in, you can change it.
I know. First you have to check this battery model.
Yeah, but you can open and see.
This
Yeah, you can open. Open.
this we have no tool. No
Ah, you have no tool.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
OK。拜拜。
拜拜。
这个老外想换个电池啊，当然他这个品牌我没有啊，他这个电池我也不敢拆哦，万一引起国际纠纷就不好了。